25 million Americans suffer from heartburn and the heartbreak of it, as we call it in my house, agita. And we're finding out what to do about it from certified nutritional consultant and author of the Fiber 35 Diet, Brenda Watson. Here she is.
Thank you.
Now, Brenda, what's the difference between indigestion, acid reflux, and heartburn?
Well, indigestion is just an overall umbrella term that can mean anything from feeling uncomfortable after you eat, nausea, bloating, anything like that. General term. Heartburn specific.
Oh, to what?
It means you have a burning sensation. Now, it can be in your esophagus, in your stomach. It can be after you eat, or it can be any time during the day. Sometimes people get it when they first get up in the morning. But as it progresses, people have it more long-term.
Did you see that fight with Rosie and Elizabeth yesterday?
That gave her
heartburn.
We did, yeah, we did.
So anyway, what happens is long-term, if people have it over and over and over again,
beating a dead horse to cause heartburn. Go ahead.
They develop something called acid reflux, go to the doctor, and the doctor diagnoses that. Now, we have an animation to show you.
I love an animation about heartburn.
So here's what we have. We have someone eating food, and they're going to swallow the food. It's going to go down the long esophagus into this little muscle. And in a person without heartburn, that muscle should tighten. So as the stomach's churning up its contents, it doesn't splash up into the esophagus. But see, in a person with heartburn, it doesn't close. So the contents can back up, causing irritation. Yeah, and if you can see, but this on the left is important because this is normal. See how healthy that looks with blood flow and oxygen?
Doesn't look that healthy to me.
Well, look at the one on the other side.
The one on the other.
That's irritated. So that person would be seeing a doctor or a physician because over time they've got problems of inflammation, things like that. Now, heartburn can come from many different things, which we're going to talk about. It can come from being overweight, doubles your chances of having it. Also,
is that because you just eat more food?
Well, that's one reason, Joy, but the other reason is you put a lot of pressure on your organs when you're heavier, so there's that to contend with, too. The other thing's food sensitivities are a big part of it.
Now, what's this whole allergy business? Because now everybody's allergic to wheat, allergic to stuff that they didn't have that 10 years ago. Now everybody's allergic to it.
Well, that's because of processed foods. If you look at what I'm talking about here on the food table, we all know, like, chili, spicy foods, fried foods.
For you.
No.
Those can cause heartburn. Right. Okay, corn is a
they
common
can cause
one.
happiness as well.
No. Right. If it tastes good, it's trying to kill you.
Dried fruits, but here's what you're talking about.
Dried fruits are good or bad?
They have a sulfur on them, so they can be a little bit irritating to a lot of people.
Okay.
Soda, we know, coffee, red wine can be a little bit more irritating than white wine.
I'm a white wine girl.
Does that ring a bell?
I love white. Go ahead.
Now, the question you asked is about gluten, and gluten is a common food that people don't usually know causes heartburn. It can be in your brand cereal that you're eating in the morning. You might not know that's causing you heartburn.
Elizabeth has what she calls celiac disease.
That's
is that what this is?
form.
So gluten is out for someone like that.
Yes, but sensitivity means this. It means that your system's reacting to it, and you're eating it every day, and it progresses into more severe conditions.
But couldn't it be brought on by an emotional upheaval also?
Stress is affected by it. A common food that people can get heartburn from is cheese.
What?
Yes, cheese.
Cheese, that's the greatest food ever invented.
But you know what? If it doesn't give you heartburn, fine. But if it gives you heartburn, then don't eat it.
Goat cheese even?
What's left?
Goat cheese. Well, let's go down to this side of the table. Okay, your tropical fruits have natural enzymes in them, like papaya and pineapple. Your fruits here, these are wonderful foods. Now, remember I said bran cereal. But this is a millet cereal, and rice, that is much more, gentle on the system if you're eating it and you have this problem with gluten.
But I still want to have a good BM. Is that wrong?
No, that's what all this is about, Kathy. This is all about having
stop shouting at me.
Right? This is all about that. So in the morning, if you start your morning out...
So far, what can we eat here? The millet and the fruit, that's it?
No. All of this.
All right.
All of this.
Okay, you don't have that much time, so finish up.
Okay. Yeah. Lemon water, first thing in the morning. A glass of lemon water will help you with heartburn.
Regularity, too.
Fiber, shake drinks. 10 grams of fiber, 20 grams of protein. This is filling.
What are you putting there?
Whey protein mix with juices or anything you want to add in there. Fruit, anything like that.
Okay.
Vegetables. Getting 35 grams of fiber a day in your diet is very beneficial to help you losing weight. Go to your health food stores. You can get enzymes to take with your meals if you're having digestion problems, and it's totally going to calm down your system and help with
heartburn. What makes you lose weight? Let's cut to the chase.
Yeah.
What makes
35 grams of fiber. I lost 30 pounds.
By just eating 35 grams
of fiber with food, with supplements, and taking digestive enzymes.
Okay, and you know what? You're all going home with a copy of Brenda's book with all this information.